Hey guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial. So today, I'm going to explain how this works. In the Sweatcoin app, at the top right, you'll see your total amount of Sweatcoin that you've saved up. If you want to change this into real money, go to the Rewards tab at the bottom. Here you'll see two options, winning and buying. The winning option means you can enter raffles like the super draws. For example, it might cost you 2 Sweatcoin to get a chance to win AirPods Pro 3. Or even a PlayStation 5 Pro. These raffles are updated from time to time, and one that usually stays for a long time is the scratch cards option. You can buy scratch cards and have a chance to win a gift card there. Now, if you want to actually convert your Sweatcoin into real value, click on Buy. In this section, you'll find different gift card options. For example, a $5 gift card costs 1,500 Sweatcoin. A $10 card costs 2,500 Sweatcoin, and a $15 card costs 4,000 Sweatcoin. You can choose from Amazon, Spotify, Google Play, and many more gift cards. So basically, once you have enough Sweatcoin, you can redeem it for one of these gift cards. And that's how you can turn your Sweatcoin into real money. I hope this helps. Giving it a like and subscribe.